Okay, let's go over question 1 from official SAT practice test 1, the math calculator section. The question reads, John runs at different speeds as part of his training program. The graph shows his target heart rate at different times during his workout. On which interval is the target heart rate strictly increasing, then strictly decreasing? So what they mean by that is at what point does the graph just go up and then immediately goes down? If it's not strictly increasing, then strictly decreasing, there's going to be a period in the middle where it's just flat. So we can just go answer choice by answer choice. So if we look at the interval between 0 and 30 minutes, we see that his heart rate goes up and then it remains flat until 30 minutes. So that's not strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. So we're going to rule out answer choice A. If we look at answer choice B, it says between 40 and 60 minutes. So look at that. So at 40 minutes, 40 to 50 minutes, his heart rate is going up. And then from 50 to 60 minutes, it goes down. So it strictly increases and then strictly decreases. So B is going to be our answer.